Who doesn't want to have glowing and youthful-looking skin? With the daily use of this recipe that I am going to share with you today, make you look 20 years younger. Save this video so you don't lose it. For the recipe we need: 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Coffee contains powerful antioxidants that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Before step forward, please follow and subscribe to get healthy tips daily. 1 teaspoon honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture in the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. It contains hydrogen peroxide and other compounds that have antibacterial properties, making it effective in treating acne and minor skin irritations. 2 teaspoon rose water. Rose water helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin, keeping it soft and supple. It helps to maintain the skin's natural pH balance, which is essential for healthy skin. Mix all the ingredients very well after mixing. Apply it on your face for 2 hours and wash it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video to your family and friends.